Welcome to MLS Campus. If you're a licensed real estate salesperson or broker in New York, there's one thing you absolutely cannot afford to ignore: your license renewal. Miss the deadline, and you cannot legally transact real estate, not even one deal. The good news? Renewing your New York real estate license is straightforward, and today we are going to walk you through every single step. Here's what you need to know up front. Your license renews every 2 years through eAccessNY. You must complete 22.5 hours of DOS-approved continuing education. The renewal fee is $55 for salespersons and $155 for brokers. And yes, this applies to both salespersons and brokers. Let's break it all down. Step 1. Confirm your renewal date in eAccessNY. First things first. Log into your eAccessNY account and confirm your exact license expiration date. Here's a pro tip. You can actually renew up to 3 months before your expiration date. So don't wait until the last minute. The moment that 3-month window opens, you're good to go. Also check whether this is your first renewal or a subsequent one, because there's one small but important difference we'll cover in a moment. Step 2. Complete your 22.5 hours of continuing education. This is the biggest part of the renewal process, your 22.5 hours of DOS-approved continuing education. Here's exactly what those hours must include. 3 hours. Fair housing, 2.5 hours. Ethical business practices, 2 hours. Implicit bias, required since 2022, 2 hours. Cultural competency, also required since 2022, 1 hour. Legal matters, 1 hour. Agency. And the remainder in elective topics of your choice. Now, if this is your first renewal, there's one difference. You need 2 hours of agency instead of 1. Everything else stays the same, and the total is still 22.5 hours. And a quick note for brokers. If you were previously exempt from continuing education, that exemption is gone. All active New York licensees, salespersons and brokers alike, must complete the full 22.5 hours. Step 3. Renew online and pay the fee. Once your CE is complete, head back to eAccessNY. Submit your renewal application and pay your fee. Salespersons, $55. Brokers, $155. Payment is by credit card. Quick and easy. That's it for the application itself. One critical rule. New York requires all 22.5 CE hours to be finished before you submit your renewal. So don't wait until the day of your expiration to start the course. Step 4. Confirm active status and keep your records. After submitting, log back into eAccessNY and confirm your license shows as active. Then save your CE completion certificates somewhere safe. The New York Department of State can request proof at any time. You want to have it ready. Now, what if you miss your renewal date? First, you cannot work. There is no grace period in New York. An expired license means no transactions until you renew. If you're within 2 years of your expiration date, you can still complete your CE and renew through eAccessNY, no retest required. But if it's been more than 2 years, you'll need to reapply, meet current state requirements, and pass the New York State licensing exam all over again. So, renew on time. It's that simple. Ready to knock out your CE today? Head to MLScampus.com and enroll in the DOS-approved 22.5-hour New York continuing education course. The link is in the description. First renewal? We have a special course built just for you too. MLS Campus, keeping your New York real estate career active, one renewal at a time. See you in the next one.